All right, everybody, how are we doing? It is Monday, February 23rd, Blizzard 2026. That's right, we are live on this Blizzard walk, daily walk, and I'm out and I'm doing it. I'm doing my walk. Why? Because I said I would. Um, yeah, here we are. We are taking a walk. I'm the nut walking down my street right now, recording himself out in this blizzard. But one of the cool things is that I will have this um, down the road for posterity and all that good stuff. Um, Snow blowers are in full effect. Our neighbor who has a tractor, Bobcat, came over and did a nice pass and plowed our driveway all the way straight back, which was pretty freaking awesome to be honest. Um, but you're gonna say, Ryan, you got this new snowblower. Why don't you just use your snowblower? Well, I did. Um, for the porch and our sidewalk. Um, because yeah, there's still a ton of freaking snow that needs to be removed in those areas. So yeah, um, people are out. They're about. They're doing it. This isn't going to be a terribly long walk today. Um, I don't. I don't know if you can guess why or not, but um, as you can see, I kind of feel like one of those news reporters out in the snow. Hey, everybody, this is Ryan coming to you live from north of Boston, and it's snowing. That's right. Yes, it is snowing out today, and all bundled up in my old hospital snow gear. So yeah, I'm out. I'm doing it. I'm doing the walk. But yeah, people are snow blowing. It looks like a good foot and a half of snow so far. And in case you were thinking, well, we didn't get enough snow yet, here we are. We got some more. Oh, and there goes my hood. But yeah, this is it. Do it. If I can get out and walk in a blizzard, what's stopping you from doing one thing today that will help you achieve your dream or your goal or any project that you've been putting off? Where there is a will, there is a way. And that's it. That's what it comes down to. So, as always, on Walkie Talkie, the daily walk, remember, you don't need the whole path today. You only need one step. As always, thanks for walking with me, and I will see you on my walk tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe out there.